Why? Because she could. Feared for her brilliance, she's the epitome of confidence and poise. Her power they try to silence, unable to control the noise. A noise rooted in courage. Unwavering determination is her sword and shield. Doubt and negativity often conspire to break her will. Why? Because she could. Locked in, pressing forward, leveling up with every step. Deserving an abundance of peace for all the nights she wept. Not one to dim her light, no matter what others think. Embracing her greatness, her presence, she will not shrink. Why? Because she could. Make no mistake, let it be understood. She did the unthinkable because she knew she could.